she talking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah. The girl put OV in her bio, so me know say tips on a pocket. The girl put our world now, that's our girl. Me have to swim in the bucket.
Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come.
Yeah, man, you don't know first to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a Cogency, pon the Cogency Reacts channel. I mean, me have to say it twice, bro. And today, I'm not even on it, bro. We have TB with Gliding up on Pressplay. Now, nobody asked me to react to this, but let me tell you with me, dog. You see, some days, you know, I like to give chances, you understand? So, I saw the thumbnail. I was like, you know, look kind of grimy. Look like could be my thing. Clicked on it, went to the middle of the song, played 10 seconds. I was like, all right, I'll give it a listen. So, same thing like the MA song. If the song end up being shit, you're not going to see this review, this reaction. But if you're watching this video now, that means the song wasn't shit. So, let's jump into this motherfucker, man. Check out the links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel. I feel like you guys actually aren't checking out the links, you know, bro. Cause I haven't seen any type of, you know what I'm saying, anything on the gaming channel, bro. If you fuck with me, bro, go over to the gaming channel and comment like that you're here from the reaction channel. Comment that the reaction channel sent you here. You understand? Just comment something, man. Show some love, bro. Yeah, let's jump into this shit, man. The Nitty, the cat. Man, look comfortable still. Watch your TV there. That beat your sound sick. Ooh, put some pants. Ooh, with a Pyrex.
Anytime you slide with things, put doors, aim high, just annihilate him. Those guys over there are rookies. I do what I do for the fan of things. Stepped out in.
Wait, hold on, bro. How old are these niggas, bro? How old are these
I just
niggas?
annihilate him. Those
Bro, these niggas are literally teenagers, bro. Like 16, 17, 18, probably 15, bro. These niggas are on road. Jano, forward that. Let me hear what you say. With this sick ass beat.
Anytime you slide with things, put doors, aim high, just annihilate him. Those guys over there are rookies. I do what I do for the fan of things. Stepped out in an all blacked out hoodie, gliding time, push my knife right in. I take risks for the cash, fell in love with a trap mom, hating the life I live. Anytime you slide with things, put doors, aim high, just annihilate him. Those guys over there are rookies. I do what I do for the fan of things. Stepped out in an all blacked out hoodie, gliding time, push my knife right in. I take risks for the cash, fell in love with a trap mom, hating the life I live.
The cat. Yeah, I like this hook still.
Gliding time, push my knife right in. I take risks for the cash, fell in love with a trap mom, hating the life I live. Bro, trap kid, fell in love with a prof. Please told those guys to just stop. They ain't been here in a second. I grab my weapon, intent to turn a man off. Look, beef like this can.
Ooh, I grab my weapon and set the second to turn man off. Yeah.
To just stop. They ain't been here in a second.
Nah, listen to this.
Life I live, bro, trap kid, fell in love with a prof. Please told those guys to just stop. They ain't been here in a second. I grab my weapon, intent to turn a man off. Look, beef like this cannot stop. None of my members ever been shot. We might do that during the evening, mission complete, then it's back to the block. We backstrap, bro, fuck all the ops. Steady grafting, brown chasing guap. Still chasing a BAG, you ain't BAD. I beg you don't act. Cause I flip the script on these.
Chasing the BAG and BAD. I beg you don't act. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro.
Still chasing a BAG, you ain't BAD. I beg you don't act. Cause I flip the script on these actors. Bet the whole block turn 3-5 pack.
Ooh, man, flip the script on these actors. Yo, dog. Me never know, say me that get this still. Flip the script on those actors. Yeah, bro. I feel like wheel up the whole fucking verse, blood. I'm telling you.
Trap mom hating the life I live. Bro, trap kid fell in love with a prof. Please told those guys to just stop. They ain't been here in a second. I grab my weapon, intent to turn a man off. Look, beef like this cannot stop. None of my members ever been shot. We might the ops. Steady grafting, bro, I'm chasing guap. Still chasing a BAG, you ain't BAD. I beg you don't act. Cause I flip the script on these actors, bet the whole block turn 3-5 pack. Facts, none of my guys take chat. Fuck all the talking, fuck all the cap. Fuck all the verbal up on the internet. If we slap around there, we're hitting them. So I'm up close, put a hole in his winner set. See me up, turn them up now, don't we getting it.
What? Put a hole in his winner what? His winner what? Whoa.
None of my guys take chat. Fuck all the talking, fuck all the cap. Fuck all the verbal up on the internet. If we slap around there, we're hitting them. So I'm up close, put a hole in his winner set. See me up, turn them up now, don't we getting it.
See him up close, put a hole in his winter set, like his winter jacket. Like in a winter jacket. I hope that's what he mean.
If we slap around there, we're hitting them. So I'm up close, put a hole in his winner set. See me up, turn them up now, don't we getting it. T-house turned that shit to a hobby. Shorty on my lap tryna catch me a body. Trap kid tryna get rich like Roddy. Grab me a moose or a brand new shorty. I don't know which to choose. Can't lie, man, I'm indecisive. We ain't fighting, I'm giving man twos. I'm at
I'm not fighting, I'm giving you smoke. Yo, nah, bro. Nah. I did not expect this, bro. This shit is hard. This shit is fucking hard, bro. This tough. I'm not gonna lie.
See me up, turn them up now, don't we getting it. T-house turned that shit to a hobby. Shorty on my lap tryna catch me a body. Trap kid tryna get rich like Roddy. Grab me a moose or a brand new shorty. I don't know which to choose. Can't lie, man, I'm indecisive. We ain't fighting, I'm giving man twos. I might pull this shit from my waist, flick that in your face. I'll grip and shoot. Boot, we're the most filling this crew. Tired of chasing these youths, rather go all hit licks and loot. Anytime you slide with things, put those aim high, just annihilate him. Those guys over there are rookies. I do what I do for the violent things. Stepped out in an all blacked out hoodie. Gliding time, push my knife right in. I take risks for the cash, fell in love with the chat, mom, hitting the life I live. I take risks for the cash, so I'm up in flat surf, pats flip that into stacks. In a bando, doing up mask with a free.
Whoa, shit, I just missed that. Say that again.
Gliding time, push my knife right in. I take risks for the cash, fell in love with the chat, mom, hitting the life I live. I take risks for the cash, so I'm up in flat surf, pats flip that into stacks. In a bando, doing
I get risks with cats, that into stacks. Oh man.
I take risks for the cash, so I'm up in flat surf, pats flip that into stacks. In a bando, doing up mask with a 3x5, you can't run up on men. Look around there with a rusty whap. Anything see me go let that slap. Those guys wanna be like us, they can't be like us, couldn't weigh their lack. Facts, look like a 3-5 pack. Circle your block, tryna rise and 10. Bad B wanna fuck with the gang, you know we can't hang with a boy that sang. I'd rather go ride, rise, whap and bang. The life that we live is too risky, act. It's too risky, act. Can't slip around here, you get 10 to a pack.
No. There's no way I just let you keep flowing after that, bro. You fucking dumb. Pull that up, man.
The rusty whap. Anything see me go let that slap. Those guys wanna be like us, they can't be like us.
Cause them man, they lack.
Facts, look like a 3-5 pack. Circle your block, tryna rise and 10. Bad B wanna fuck with the gang, you know we can't hang with a boy that sang. I'd rather go ride, rise, whap and bang. The life that we live is too risky, act.
Oh man, let me hear that one last time, please.
Can't hang with a boy that sang. I'd rather go ride, rise, whap and bang. The life that we live is too risky, act. It's too risky, act. Can't slip around here, you get 10 to a pack. Telling the hood what's good, I might caught me a whap or some brand new books. Should've been in school doing up books, but I was in a tea house doing up cook. They all shook when they look at their friends like who's getting taken, who's getting took. We do this shit for a better life, we don't.
Fuck. When I look at my friends like who's getting taken, who's getting took. Nah, bro, I'm not looking at my friends like that, bro.
They all shook when they look at their friends like who's getting taken, who's getting took. We do this shit for a better life, we don't care if we get bad looks, it's normal. We ain't built for dressing formal.
We don't care if we get bad looks, it's normal. We don't care if we get bad looks, it's normal. You know, like growing up and like as a child, you know, when you do something and a elder go to look for you where you say, oh, John, damn, probably shouldn't do this, you know. Or you just stop the way you do it through the elder look for you. Then man, you say, me not give a fuck if you look for me, you know, miss. Me I sell my crack right here, so. Right in front of your yard. Where you go to call police? By the time I call them, I'm gone. You see what I say? I don't care about the bad looks. I don't care if I'm out that look like a gang member. I don't care. Well, I care still, but I'm not a gang member, so.
I was in a tea house doing up cook. They all shook when they look at their friends like who's getting taken, who's getting took. We do this shit for a better life, we don't care if we get bad looks, it's normal. We ain't built for dressing formal, invest in whap, leave scenes all awful.
Ooh, we don't care if we get bad looks, it's normal. We ain't made for dressing formal. Bro, I'm not made for the 9 to 5 life, bro. 9 to 5 or 25 to life, bro. That the man I pre, bro. You understand? 9 to 5 or 25 to life. Man, I dep on the, you see me, office job, the office work thing, suit and tie. Not dep on that, bro. Them man I dep on Trapstar and Moncler and Canada Goose. You see me, a Nike track suit. You understand? For go out and boot. You understand? Blood, blood.
They They're all shook when they look at their friends like who's getting taken, who's getting took. We do this shit for a better life, we don't care, we get bad looks, it's normal. We ain't built for dressing formal, invest in whack, leave scenes all awful. They slip up in their block, 3 points is normal, my pagans also thoughtful. He got caught on my bro caught up, he got done in the shots with my Anglo blade. He didn't see my face, but I caught a by hand, I tried to do a put you on the mains. Value on tight, I can't catch me a case, I don't know it's the truth, 15 on the gauge. We ain't coming for games, I'm in all getting paid like a fat kid trying to stack cake. Anytime you slide with things, put those.
Nah. Let's hear that again.
Cook on my bro, caught up, he got done.
Yeah, and then this part when him start flow fast.
Yeah, we get bad looks, it's normal. We ain't built for dressing formal. Invest in whack, leave scenes all awful. They slip up in their block, 3 points is normal. My pagans also thoughtful. He got cook on my bro, caught up, he got done in the shots with my Anglo blade. He didn't see my face, but I caught a by hand, I tried to do a put you on the mains. Value on tight, I can't catch me a case.
Is that a Nerf gun? Loud, Nerf gun.
He didn't see my face, but I caught a by hand, I tried to do a put you on the
The man with the fucking Nerf gun, blood. The man shit up a scope for it, dog. Yeah.
means value on tight, I can't catch me a case, I don't know it's the truth, 15 on the gauge. We ain't coming for games, I'm in all getting paid like a fat kid trying to stack cake. Anytime you slide with things, put doors, aim high, just annihilate him. Those guys over there are rookies, I do what I do for the finer things. Stepped out in an all blacked out hoodie, gliding time, push my knife right in. I take risks for the cash, fell in love with the chat, I'm hating the life I live. Anytime you slide with things, put doors, aim high, just annihilate him. Those guys over there are rookies, I do what I do for the finer things. Stepped out in an all blacked out hoodie, gliding time, push my knife right in. I take risks for the cash, fell in love with the chat, I'm hating the life I live.
They hear that beat? And they hear that? Oh man, yes. Yes, bro. This is what I fucking like. This is what I fucking came for, bro. A beat, a sick beat with layers, one with sick 808s. Then this nigga come with the fucking bars and flows, bro. And a mad fucking hook, bro. That's all you need, you know, bro. Give me a nice hook, a catchy hook. I can remember what you're saying. And then just give me some nice punchlines in the fucking verses. And some nice flow from it. I say, Bombokla. And see it there. Right, this you get a 8.5 song. 8.5 out of 10 song. Really and truly, I want to bring it up a 9. But I have other songs in my head that are 9s. And it's not as good as them. But it's not bad. So I forget 8.5. So yeah, that was TB gliding up on Pressplay. Go check it out. I fuck with it. Hopefully you fuck with it. As I say, 8.5 out of 10. You don't know. We're not ramp with the thing today. Cogence and a Cogence Reacts channel. Check out the links in the description. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400, quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round to